Alright, today we're going to be adding a return air into a basement. First we want to get our right materials. This is called a 6-inch top takeoff. We're going to be adding it into a return pan across from the furnace. So one easy step is to get a center of the panning, go in a direction where we're going to be hitting that stud space right there. So kind of get an idea where you want to put it, mark the outside of it, and get your center of the floor joist. So it's 17, so 8.5. Mark that. And then if you have, I have a circle cutting tool that cuts a circle for you. Otherwise, you can use just a regular pair of snips. I'm going to be using a circle cutter. So kind of get your center lined up with your outside mark. Simple. And then you take your takeoff, it's got these tabs. A lot of times it's easier to do the back tabs, get it started, and then you can kind of snap it in place. That way the back tabs hold it in place, and then do your front tabs. And then you can reach up with your hand without it falling out on you. And bend all those tabs over. They are sharp, so they will cut, but just work at it slow. Okay, next step is to put your panning in so that the joist space is sealed off from the basement.